Now we will see how to use replace geometry tool. For that, let's create a polygon first. Finish. Now if we would like to replace this geometry with another one, then we need to use this replace geometry. Click on this and click on replace polygon. Now just draw a polygon. And finish. Our previous polygon is replaced by this one. Don't forget to press the save button.